Hey, how's it going? This is Minister Gold. This is a mix it up tutorial on how to make a story and recap command. The idea behind this is you have one command where you add an event from like a game you're playing, and then that'll append to a single file, text file. Use recap and it'll play back all the events from that file so that anybody who wants to know, hey, what has happened in this game so far, they can use exclamation point recap and they can see all the like main events that you added for the story, because it's hard to come into a game in the middle of the story and be invested, but at least if you have the recap, then they could kind of feel like they're on the same page as you and everyone else who follows the game. So yeah, that's the idea. um, if you like my videos for Mix It Up, please like and subscribe so you can see more videos like these. If you have anything you want to talk about regarding Mix It Up, Twitch, gaming, life in general, please follow me on twitch.tv/ministergold. Okay, so first off, I'm gonna check out the version of Mix It Up I'm on. I'm on version 1.3.0.2. We'll go to commands. First, I have a command called story. Okay, and ignore this first command called save story. Originally, that was an attempt to make a separate file for my events, so that if I want to start like a new like story, then I could save it to that file, but that didn't work out, so we're not doing that. The command you want to focus on is the second one called story. Let's open this up. So yeah, I just have it called story with the chat trigger of story, all lowercase. The users allowed to use this is the streamer and the moderator. Yeah, auto include the exclamation point. You can have two conditionals. One is checking that there is no text. If you use exclamation point story and no text, then it'll just return a chat message that says no text provided, no event added. Okay, so that in case somebody accidentally just puts in exclamation point story and nothing else, number one, nothing is added. Number two, they're notified that nothing is added. Like, hey, you're not using the command properly, basically. In the second conditional, and reminder, conditionals in this drop down. Click on the drop down, go to conditional, and hit the plus sign. And here, we're checking if $ all args does not equal nothing. If it doesn't equal nothing, then inside this conditional, we're going to click on the drop down, look for file, read and write, add that, and then we're going to append to file $all args. And what that means is that I'll type in exclamation point story, a bunch of words, and that's going to be added to my like events file. No matter how long your sentence is, it'll be added. But I'd highly recommend that you make sure you put a period at the end of your sentence. Otherwise, it'll look like this. That's gonna be it'll be harder to recognize when a sentence ends or not. So make sure you include a period at the end of your text that you're adding. Okay, and then after that, I have a chat message. So click on the drop down, chat message, add that. And I just have event : space quotes $all args closing quotes saved. And so that's just gonna say event, whatever the event was, saved. So this is like a confirmation that, hey, your event was saved inside the file. Okay, so that is my story command to add events for the story. And next is the recap command. So name is recap, and also I'll make this all lowercase. It doesn't really matter. It still takes it if it says like an uppercase R here, but it's gonna make it all lowercase. For the permissions, we're making it for streamer and moderator. Ignore this first one. This one didn't work out. We're just gonna look at the second file read and write and the chat message. So for here, what we're going to do is we're simply going to read all of the events that are in the recap file. Okay. So yeah, reminder, drop down, file read and write. and add that. And then select read from file for the action. Make a recap txt file like in Notepad. So just like Windows button, Notepad, click on it and save it. Even if it's empty file, save it. Save it as a recap. And then for the special identifier name, I gave it a name of event. And what's going to happen here is if you just output $event, it's going to output all the text that is inside this recap.txt file, which you've been adding all your events to via the story command. Okay, and let me show you how this works. So I've already been adding events to my story, my fake story. Let's add another event. So story, he got married and had really cool kids. Period. Okay, event, he got married, had really cool kids. That was saved to the recap.txt file. Then we'll go recap. I'll make this bigger if you have trouble seeing it. Go like this. Okay, there you go. Okay, and then we'll go recap. Okay, these are all the events I've added so far. There once was a man. I forgot to put a period here. Okay. The man wanted to be cool. We got a period, put a period here. He bought some cool shades, period. Then, comma, he became cool, period. All his friends said he was pretty cool. Forgot the period, put a period here. He stayed cool for the rest of his life, period. He got married and had really cool kids, period. Okay. And now let's say, what do you do? What do you do when, hey, I'm starting a new game. I don't want to keep adding events to my last game story. What do I do? What you do is you open up this file. We'll go recap. Nope, I have to go to mix it up to get this. So let me go to mix it up real quick. Okay, so here is my recap file. And so, so if you see these blank spaces, this is because I didn't have a conditional before that prevented blank spaces, but now I do, so I will not see this anymore. But so yeah, what I would do is I would Control A to select all, Control C to copy, open a new notepad, paste it in, and then save it. Type in the name of your game, space recap. And so what I would do after that is I would make a separate command. Like, let's say you just played, I don't know, God of War. So then you could type in !GOW, then recap, not space recap, but just GOW recap. And then if someone wants to know, like, hey, what happened in God of War, they could type in !GOW recap, and it'll output the command you put in your GOW recap txt file, assuming that's where you're pulling the events from. Okay. Anyway, yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to make a recap command, a recap and story command. I hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. Please like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. If you want to talk to me about Mix It Up, Twitch, gaming, or life in general, please follow me on twitch.tv/MiniatureGold. All right, thank you. See ya.